Hi, this is our pedicle test machine. We can check with this machine our paddy quality in 100 gram of paddy, how many gram of head rice and broken rice we have. You can test it. We have a scale here. We will put our paddy, make it 0, and we will put 100 gram of paddy. So this is 100 gram of paddy. We will test in this paddy how many gram of head rice we have. We will see. We will put the paddy from here, and this is the start button that we will start the machine. As you can see, the gate is closed, and there is no paddy rice. And we will start the machine. Asking from the paddy, and the half membrane comes to here. Half membrane comes to here, and after husking, the rice comes down. Here we have the whitening stone, so we made a whitening process from this section. These settings for the whiteness of the machine. You can increase the whiteness or decrease it. And here we have a brown rice entrance. You can also put brown rice from this point. Here we have aspiration settings. You can increase the aspiration or decrease it. And here you can see how many seconds we have. This setting can be less seconds or more seconds, according what you wanted. After process finish, here is the buzzer. It will make the sound so you can understand that it's finished. As you can hear, this is finished. Then we take this gate and make it 2 times clean inside the machine. So here is the white rice. This is the total white rice. So we will see how many gram total the white rice. So totally we have a 64 gram of head, the total rice. And now we will check it. How many gram we have a broken. Here is the total rice, so we will put it in the grater. Now we will start the land grater. Also grater seconds, you can arrange more seconds or less seconds, and from here you can arrange the position of the tray. You can make it with these numbers, you can make it less or more. And this is, it shows when it finished. So we'll take it here. This is the head rice. And here is the brokens. 1 second. And the brokens are here. So as you can see, the brokens are separated. So we will check right now how many gram of head rice we have. Okay. Right now 0. So 58 gram of head rice we have. So with this machine you can measure how many percent of head rice you will have from this quality of paddy. You can test it. We have also for thickness grader in this machine, as you can see, with a different of sieves, and we will test it with 1.70 measurement. First we have to put this drum inside, but we shouldn't put this one, and then we have to put this one inside, and then we will start the grading. After we grade it, we'll move this one and we will check what is the result. So these rices are less than 1.70 thickness. And these rices are thicker than 1.70 millimeter.